Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your knowledge of mining with NiceHash, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, create an account on the NiceHash website. Visit the NiceHash homepage and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification email. Once your account is created, log in to the NiceHash platform. Familiarize yourself with the NiceHash dashboard. Take note of the various sections including the marketplace, wallet, and tools. Explore the marketplace to understand how it operates. Learn about the difference between buying and selling hashing power. Next, download the NiceHash miner software from the website. Install the miner on your computer following the installation prompts. After installation, open the software and log in with your account credentials. Choose the mining algorithm that best suits your hardware. Run the benchmark tool to evaluate the performance of your hardware. Observing the results will help you determine the most profitable mining option. Spend time researching different cryptocurrencies available for mining on NiceHash. Follow updates on market trends to see which coins are becoming more profitable. Engage with the NiceHash community through forums and online discussions. Joining these communities can provide valuable insights and tips. Utilize educational resources such as tutorials and guides available on the NiceHash website. Consider watching mining tutorials from experienced miners on platforms like YouTube. Experiment with different settings in the NiceHash miner to optimize performance. Monitor your mining profits regularly using the NiceHash profit calculator. Stay informed about changes in mining algorithms and market conditions. Periodically check for software updates to ensure your miner runs efficiently. By following these steps, you can deepen your understanding of mining using NiceHash. Make use of the information you gather to enhance your mining strategy. Continue to learn and adapt as the cryptocurrency landscape evolves. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.